the instructions are not as detailed as they should be. So this video will help you identify how each part should look with the item turned upside down. This was especially, this section here, part G, was not pictured on the instructions as these levelers should be facing up when you put in section G. Also, when you put in section F, you can see there's no place to put the screw on the top because it must be bolted in at the bottom. The instructions do not show that it should be placed this way. So when you put in section F, it should be placed with the bolt holes on the bottom and none here on the top, because the top will actually be the bottom when you flip this over. And then next step would be, which is the easiest step, is to put in the footings. When you put the whole frame down on top of the top, you'll see the small X on the right. The small X should be in the middle, and then the multiple X's will be on the left, where you have this part right here. Also, when you put in H, just remember all these side parts, no bolt holes on the top. When you assemble it, they're all going to be on the bottom, so you can attach the frame together.